Ang layo ng dismount nyo.
Put up only. Wait lang.
Never
Coffee, Gucci. Meron sila 7-3 your side na. Coffee.
Sige,
Cafe daw.
Wait. We're gonna round the rousey dito sa castle, okay?
Yun.
So, we're gonna wrap around sa castle lang. So, doon lang tayo magkakahit, okay?
Uy, ina-attack
yun.
sila.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Pag-guard run ako. Wait.
Fake.
Look on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this.
Almost.
Okay, wait.
They look.
Tuwa sa
You're fine. I stopped it, baby.
5,
I got you.
6.
Bonk.
First jacket.
They're melee clap ha.
Sorry, sa akin.
Tapos meron
Ready,
silang brawlers.
Perma ready. Perma fake ready.
Ready.
Wait. I'm gonna faking 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hindi ko nahuli. Pag-guard run lang.
DFCD. This is fake.
Okay, headbutt tayo. Ready Ready headbutt ah.
Ready.
Ready, headbutt
May bed, ayun na sa likod.
May bedrock sa likod.
Nice.
You're fine. You're okay.
Ready headbutt. Guys, look. Wait.
Call for mana ha.
Wala yan.
Fake.
Wait, ready headbutt ah.
Ready.
Wait.
Lag pa rin oh.
They look.
Headbutt in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Kill this.
Holy shit! King ina nyo ah.
Okay, relax lang.
Oh, relax lang.
Wait. Don't break the gate. Wait.
Perma 5.
Wait.
I can set up J.
Magkano tayo? Okay, break set up.
Perma fake ready.
Set up. On the gate.
Okay, on the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me na. Kill this.
Wasted.
Nice.
Ganda ng setup.
Okay, wait.
Guards.
They look over the wall.
Wala pa.
Meron sa likod.
Uy, I'm lagging.
Meron sa likod na bedrock.
Come southeast.
I'm watching your northwest. You can guide.
Ito nga. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Tap on me. Kill this, bedrock.
Yung mobs, masakit.
Yung mobs mo.
They look over the wall. They can loop.
Okay, careful. Come southeast lang muna. Wait. Paano muna ng guard? Pa-brawl muna ng guard.
I'm watching over the wall. You're fine.
Check out ng likod.
Correction problem.
Okay, I'm gonna bash now Look, northwest over the wall
4.
Permaklap Wait, northwest over the wall now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Diabot.
Dito guys yung over the wall dito sa position.
Dito kayo. Ayan kaya Dobo. Kita nyo?
Kita. Alam yan.
Yun po. Hindi from east side ha.
Long cooldown ako.
Nasaan sila?
Pwede ka lang tatapan dito.
Okay. Nasaan sila?
Pwede kami
Pagka-break.
Yan yung last Joshua.
Okay, sige. Wait, stuck on the gate. DPS.
Ready.
Wait. Mag-GJ yan Okay, on the GA now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the GA.
Oh my god, color dead.
Okay. Bash now.
5 seconds.
Jacket please.
Perma 5.
Bash now.
Uwian na!
3 seconds.
King ina nyo!
Perma 3. Perma ready.
Okay, we take this. We take those. Loot the dead bodies.
Tapos may nonchalant king.
Okay.
Oh my god, that
Wait, drag on
corner!
the carpet. Drag on the carpet, guys, boys. Please.
Uy, drugs on the carpet!
Drugs on the
Oh, saan?
carpet.
Drugs on the carpet. Drugs on the carpet. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Drugs.
Drugs on the carpet.
Sa'yo nyo boss
Okay, drugs on the carpet.
Darag ka agad!
Brawl niya na to.
Tingnan mo yung pangalan na ito,
Brawl.
Adobo. Itong dead body.
Ito pa, may nasa carpet pa. Baka hindi nyo napapansin.
Okay.
Wow! Wow there!
Kabulin natin to, Adobo.
Tara.
On the Lord na. 5, 4,
Wala ako.
3, 2, 1.
Connection
Yun.
problem mo.
Yun. Mounting
May
up ako.
connection problem.
Napakalag to. UTC ko.
If wala na tayong fight, or wala nang pupunta, we can take the siguro kung nasa sa atin pa ba yung castle?
Yes.
Okay.
Yung
We take those
peninsula na
4,
flip.
5, 6,
Peninsula na flip.
Nino?
Figure.
What a
Ay,
guy.
wala.
Nice.
Daga.
Hindi na tayo
Okay na to.
Okay na yan. Ganda yan.
Blue naman.
Ganda na yan.
Hello.
Farmer ready.
Daga.
Ba't wala silang defensive? Wala ba talaga silang defensive?
Boss, sinesetapan ko kayo.
Ay, ganun.
Instant ko
boss
yung
eh.
support nila.
Hindi, pwede ka mag-resist doon eh.
Look, south over the wall.
Ay, black,
Nice, nice, nice. Babalik. Eh, masarap.
No GA pa rin sila.
Brawl Castle ba to?
Na-dismount si Officer. Na-dismount si
No,
Officer.
no, it's not.
Pre-fight daw sila
Diba?
pero gusto nila depth.
Dismounted south.
Hindi.
Careful guys, careful front.
Perma mo, correction problem.
Pwede. They can def ulit.
Labas
They
ka,
can def.
labas ka.
Scott ako. Wait.
Okay.
Wait, I need to reconnect.
Come out daw.
O, tara, open world.
Tara.
Can we reconnect muna? Kailangan mo na reconnect.
Man, wala
Wait,
na, no
wait lang.
time.
Reconnect daw.
Trapa mo.
May mga DC.
Guys,
Okay.
DA5 na
Mga
tayo.
DC pa.
Baka dito
DC ako,
sumama.
DC ako.
Baka dito lumaban, DA5 tayo, ha? Check enemy.
Spike mo DC.
You're reconnecting.
Yeah, I have connection problem as well.
Hook.
Dalag kami ni Oyo.
Spike
I
mo
think
and
I'm
ano,
good,
Perma.
Yeah.
Si Rob, sinasapak lang si O-Hulk.
Pag bibilang ko, magbibilang dapat ulit.
Nonchalant talaga ni Rada mag-call niya. Idol ko
Kaya
to.
nga eh.
Uy, they come.
Lagyan mo ng energy, Rada.
Perma
Parang
ready.
sabi niya,
Dikam,
lit
dikam,
kayo
dikam.
guys.
Counted down.
Pag ano kasi ako, pag
Tara na.
Guys,
Under
come inside,
pressure.
come inside.
Focus ka
Okay,
sa fight, huwag kang
kinikip ko,
huwag kang
ano ko.
mag-explain. May kalaban kayo.
Okay.
Nasaan na siya, ano?
Ayan sila?
Uy,
Dismounted, guys.
Dismount on me, dismount
Layo
on
pa
me.
ng ano mo. DPS mo.
Top of me guys. Come on.
Oh, you long tail.
Connection problem. Putang ina naman.
Hodge,
Okay,
southeast of you.
Northwest northwest then
4 seconds,
west.
4
Okay?
seconds, 4 seconds.
Dito tayo magkakaita.
Putang ina nag.
Gets.
Okay. Wait.
May full brawl sila sa northeast side mo. Watching your northeast, okay?
Wait. Northwest nga. Andito yung ano, yung mob. Sila mo level dyan.
May nagro-rotate northeast side mo
Sumasatap.
ng brawl. I got you, okay?
Sumasatap.
Okay. Wait, may hold sila. Layo kayo sa akin, DPS. Layo kayo sa akin. Give space. Distance lang. Wait. They're looking. They're looking. Wala pa yan.
Wala pa.
Hodge, real engage.
I'm watching Perma.
Pwede yung south wall, oh. Pwede yung south wall.
Wait lang.
Hodge looking. Hodge engage to. Matic.
Sige. May ano ako. Pandepet ako. Wait. Okay, they're looking.
Nope.
Wait.
Fake.
not yet.
They look shallow.
May ano sa likod,
Wait.
May bedrock.
Ilan?
Pakigulo nga yung DPS nila. Thanks. Pakigulo DPS nila.
Yung J nila nasa
Okay,
likod
look on me.
na.
Last wall.
Look on me. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
May
Shallow.
bedrock sa ano, likod natin.
Patayin nyo agad. Can you brawl that? Dab.
Perma 6 hours. Perma 6.
Big kills.
Patay na. Come northwest now.
Perma ready. 10 seconds.
Okay, wait. Okay, shallow on me. On the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, big.
Disturb kami.
Kilala
Watching the brawlers on the east side.
West side. Nice DI, west side lang. Sige lang. Kahit lang muna. Dead, on me. Paila ko.
Heal.
Ready. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Kill this RB. Okay, nice one. Come southwest. Southwest. May ano ba? Stragglers tayo. Wait.
Pahin kay Rada, please.
Hold.
Mga long cooldown kami, Long cooldown.
On me, in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Long cooldown.
1.
Ay, so.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
West side. Southwest.
Wag ka mag-brawl, Oyo.
Southwest. Careful. They're looking. Wait. Okay. Come. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. No.
JJ.
They're gonna run. Find coffee.
Now you can brawl.
Northeast guys, yung coffee. Northeast yung coffee. Sige, payable. Careful lang.
Nikolay, tara.
Hindi ko mamot.
Nikolay.
Northeast boys. Nasa Northeast kami Baka may yung kayo. Magkakayo dyan.
Nice one.
Okay, ano.
Nasap si Copy.
Okay,
Wait.
bilangan mo.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On coffee now. Nakagigapat siya.
O, sinong gusto? Ako na lang.
Kill this
Oy,
guy.
huwag yung tanggapin yan.
Good job.
Masakit yan.
Masaya. Sige. Naka-return pa ako. Careful.
Nice.
Ay, basag yung weapon. Aray mo.
Yan yun na.
Can we heal? Can you guys heal?
Ito pa, meron
So, kanina, ano yung ano ko, cooldown ko?
Okay lang yun. Yung iba nga walang PC.
Wala ka ng druid ah.
Bull team yun, ano.
Ayun yung ano.
Bago kayo, muntikan na kayo dun.
Yup. My bad, boss Paul.
Saan?
Oo, tayo na mo yung. Huwag ka magbabrol na sperma. Mukha kang tanga.
Tingin na.
My bad, my bad.
Loot of dead bodies.
Naging
Tell
harap
them thank you, TY45.